Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to get cool animation in Maxon Cinema 4D. So first of all I'm going to show you what the project we will be working on in this tutorial is the explosion effect. Here is a demo preview. So let's get started. When we are here in Cinema 4D, this is the main screen where all the editing thing works. Now the first step we will gonna do is to go to this add cube object, and then we're gonna add a plane object. After this, you can see a plane object is added here. So what you're gonna do now, go to basic, use color, on display color to black. The reason I've done this because I don't want to increase the size and height and width of the plane so it can occupy the whole screen. I just changed the color so in the rendering it will look like black. Okay, now we have added the plane. Now we're gonna add text to it. For adding text, we're gonna go to More Graph, then More Text. Change the view. We'll have text here. I'm gonna change the text to default. You can add anything like a channel name or anything. Change the font from here. Let the alignment be left, and the height, which is the size, gonna decrease it. So that I'm gonna drag it to the center, and then I'm gonna go to caps, fillet cap, and one more fillet cap. Increase the steps to 50. Radius 5 cm. Let it be to default in the steps to 50. And then what you're gonna do is to the texting is over basically. So now I'm gonna click here, and this will be your text. Now we're gonna add some animation to it. The main part comes here now. So before adding the animation, make sure that you click this auto keyframing thing. This will ensure you to add the keyframe to the intro. So if you click it, the red outline will come here and it will show that it has been enabled. Now we're gonna go to this add bend object. There's ton of animation to be added here: bend, correction, explosion, displacer, many of them. I'm gonna select explosion for this tutorial. Click explosion and it will come up here. Now the interesting part is here that if you want your text to be exploded, so what you're gonna do is to click the more text, drag it to the upper, and when the arrow is showing to the left side, click it, and then drag this explosion thing inside the more text to have a explosion effect to more text. Now drag it, and when the arrow is showing downwards, just click it. Now we're gonna select the timeline where the explosion will work. So this is the timeline here. Now we'll start the explosion thing. So first of all, we're gonna go to 10 seconds and use this and click this yellow cube and drag it. So the animation thing starts. Now we're going to 20. Then I'm gonna go to 30. Now for the 40. Now find the yellow thing, and all the things is gone. Now we'll make the default text back it to its normal version. So I'm gonna select to 50, and I'm gonna find that yellow cube, drag it, then we'll go to 60, 60, and then we're gonna go to 68, that will good, and 73, and at last 280. Now the animation thing is over, so let's play the thing. So that's how you do it. Just remember to take this auto keyframing. The shortcut is Control F9, and this is the symbol of the animation you have added. Okay, now we have done with the animation thing. Now we're gonna render it. So for rendering, we're gonna go to render setting, full rendered, then we're going to output tab. Here we're gonna select the width to 1280, that is HD, 720 the height, all the things to default, and just make sure that this framing range will be from 0 to 100, because the timeline is the animation timeline is 280, so till 90 it will just get so slowed up. Until 100 it will have a fade out effect, so it will look good. After that we're going to save it, save the place you want to save it, navigate to the page you want to save it. I'm going to name it as testing 02. Click on save, and I will be rendering it in AVI format, AVI movie, and let everything to default. Close this and click this thing for rendering to start. It will take some time depending upon your system speed, system performance. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video for now and we'll start it later. So we are at the end. So where the render is completed. Now we're gonna check it out how it works. So here is the testing 2 file, and this is our effect. I made it a little fast because this is a tutorial video and I don't want to make it more, I don't want to increase the duration, so I made it a little fast. You can use the timeline to make it a little slow. So yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and more videos are coming soon. And yeah, have a good life, take care, bye bye.